So how do you install a washer dryer? Well, I'm too close. You can't see anything but white. How do you install... And I am recording, by the way. How do you install a washer and dryer in a little itty bitty closet when there's not enough room for it?
You don't.
If you were smart, you don't. You're right. And there's no way you can do it through here because you see your arm wouldn't fit. And so I'm going to show you how you do it. Pause. So tools that you will need is the village idiot, or at least a volunteer. Today that'll be me. And at least one step ladder. A bigger one would be better, but our contractor took that home because it belonged to him, so it's all we have. Anyways, recording. All right, so here's the view. This is how much room I have. None. And here's the space to get out, which is only about the size of nothing. And here's how I'm going to have to get out. There's hardly any space between here. There's about, what, 1.5 feet between here and here. So I'm going to have to shimmy my way up using this step ladder. By the way, I'm not in shape. So this is even harder than if I was like in shape with a hot body and was like, I don't know, 19 or something. But anyways, so you get to videotape my exit. All right, you can start videotaping. Oh. Off. Do you remember how I did it last time?
Well, yes.
I put my leg up first, didn't I?
You had to put you had to go up here, and then your legs come out, and then you come out.
Well, how did I get up?
You pushed yourself from the back.
So I don't have to get... All right. Please don't break. Oh, fuck. All right, I don't know how you're going to record and catch my ass this time, remember? Holy crap, even. How come I'm not fitting this time? Oh! Is this what I did? Alright, so now I gotta... So you'll have to help me, eh?
Yeah, you're the other... You don't go face first.
Problem. How are we gonna get the step ladder out?
Easy.
You have an idea?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, hold on, let me tuck in my shirt. I don't want to moon everybody.
Well, you already swore, so I don't know if you can use that or not.
I think people have sworn before in the internet video. Alright.
You're also wearing pajamas, so really.
Just let them know I'm from Oshawa. Oh, I'm not from Oshawa. Disclaimer. No, I live here now, but I'm not from Oshawa.
That's funny.
Alright, you helping me? Alrighty. I'm out. I don't have lots of bruises, but I'm out. And now we hit stop.